Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data from KoboToolbox. If you need to download responses or survey records from a project in KoboToolbox, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll move from the main KoboToolbox dashboard to the export area, where you can choose a file format and start your download. Begin by going to KoboToolbox. Once the site loads, you should be on the project's home area, where your available forms and projects are listed. This is the starting point for managing data collected through your surveys or forms. From there, click on Sample Project. This opens the specific project that contains the data you want to export. If you have multiple projects in your account, make sure you select the correct one before continuing, since exports are created from within each individual project. After the project opens, look at the navigation options across the top of the page and click on Data. This section is where KoboToolbox stores the submissions collected for that form. It gives you access to the records themselves, along with tools for reviewing, filtering, and downloading them. Next, click on Downloads. This will take you to the export area for the project's dataset. The Downloads section is where you prepare the file you want to generate, and it's the main place to go whenever you need to save project data outside of KoboToolbox for reporting, analysis, or backup purposes. Once you're on the Downloads page, click on Select Export Type. This opens the menu where you can choose the format for your exported file. Depending on your workflow, this might be useful if you plan to open the data in spreadsheet software, share it with a team, or import it into another analysis tool. Take a moment here to choose the export type that best matches how you want to use the data afterward. Finally, click on Export. KoboToolbox will then begin generating the file based on the export type you selected. Depending on the amount of data in the project, this may take a few moments. After the export is ready, you'll be able to download the file and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the data export area in KoboToolbox and started an export for your project. If you're exporting regularly, it can be helpful to stay consistent with your chosen file type, so your data is easier to organize and review later.